surveys in Winnow consist of a few parts. There's the header, which contains the survey name, menu options, and other information about your survey. Below, organized into sections, is the list of individual requirements. And finally, to the left of your results are the available criteria you can apply to your survey. Let's dive into each a bit further. At the top of the header is the survey name. Winnow assigns each survey a default name based on the product type and loan phase you chose. You'll be asked to name your survey the first time you save it, and you can also rename it later. Below, you'll see the total number of requirements and the number of unique requirements. These values may differ since multiple survey sections can contain the same requirement. Next to that is the Grouped By dropdown. You have 3 options when it comes to organizing your survey results. The default grouping is by topic, but you can change it to jurisdiction or category. Modifying this value will also display an Update button, which allows you to save your changes. The next item is the View Details link, which shows a list of all the parameters that make up your unique survey. To the right of the survey name, you'll see a menu that contains several options. You can rename, duplicate, or delete your survey. You can also export your results, and soon we'll add the ability to compare change history across your entire survey and export those changes. Next, we have the survey results. Each section has a specific topic, jurisdiction, or category name based on your chosen grouping. Results start partially collapsed to make scanning them easier. You can expand individual requirements by clicking the multi-arrow icon to the right of the requirement title link, or you can toggle all results in an entire section by clicking the similar icon near the section title. Additionally, you can expand and collapse whole sections to get a better overview of your survey. Each section has a table with 1 or more sortable columns. These are the values not chosen as the primary grouping option. For example, a survey grouped by jurisdiction would have 2 columns for topic and category. The final column contains the requirement text, an easier-to-read format of the underlying regulation or statute. Around that are the trigger and timing values, if applicable. Then below are additional considerations, product and loan details, and defined terms. We don't include every single piece of information for each requirement in your survey. For that, you can visit the requirement detail page, which we discuss in depth in a separate video. Finally, let's discuss survey criteria. These are optional values that you can apply to your results to narrow them further. Depending on your product type selection, there may be more available on certain surveys. For example, a mortgage survey will show product-specific criteria like property type, occupancy status, and others. Adding or removing criteria here will also trigger the Update button to save your changes. You can expand or collapse criteria one at a time or all at once from the Criteria Options menu. I won't go into all the individual options here, but know that you can be as broad or focused as you want. Winnow gives you incredible control over how you craft your surveys.